Okay, we're working on another road turd here. My favorite piece of crap, Harleys. So this one's got some issues with the primary chain in here. I don't know what's been going on in here, but you see nicks in your chain like this all over the place. It's not good. That's how you break primary chains. That's not why it's here. He's got stripped out screws in here on 3 or 4 of the holes. I'm not sure how many. He's got this clutch they put in there and they stripped out that bolt, so I gotta figure out how I'm gonna get that out. And then the starter motor itself, it's got some stripped out, rounded out bolts up under here because nobody has the right tools, obviously. And then of course the best one is, this is a T60, we need a T70 to do this, so, but this is what they use to put it together with, so I'll try it. I don't have one yet. So anyway, it's gonna be fun. So I gotta pull all this out, pull the inner primary off so I get to the bolts, helicoil them, fix all this stripped out junk and put it back together. Oh, then we've got a chain conversion back here, which needs to be dealt with too because the chain's a little loose. Because these axle adjusters do not work with chain drives. They're garbage. So I'll have to make some axle stops for that in my extra time. So it's late in the day. Sun's behind the sign right now. It's another hot day today. So good time to start working. It's about 6 o'clock at night. So time to get after it. So I need to figure out what the this clutch bolts are going to be over here. I guess that's going to be the first thing to try to take out. So I got a big pan here to catch all the hardware, and I can lay my tools in there as needed. Big tools for pulling out big parts. Small ones for small parts. Okay, so here's our American Allens. So I don't know if that's American or metric. Never can tell these days. Oh, that's pretty tight. Yeah, when you take your bolts out when they're loose, that's not a good sign. So is that loose because they stripped it, or is it loose because it is? Feels like the Allen's all rounded out again. This one. Oh yeah, the Allen's pretty bad there. Alright. So we're going to need some new Allen bolts. And that looks metric to me. I don't know why you would use fine thread on anything. Alright. I'll take that and go check it out. We'll be back. Alright, we're back. So I'm going to dig through my Allens, and I found a metric Allen here that looks like it might be the right one. So we're going to try it out and see if it fits in here. I don't know why they build a Harley with metric bolts in it, but I guess they're turning into jet bikes more and more every year. Okay, that appears to be the correct size. Okay, so there you go. One more import part for Harley. Parts go down there. Old Allen goes there. New Allen goes there. Okay, so this is my metric Allen. Now these are all rounded out, probably because they're using American stupid ass hardware in here. Okay, that's junk. Okay, so the way you get Allens out that are rounded off, you take a drill bit and you drill the head off. That's how you do it. The drill bit just has to be bigger than what this is by a little bit on each side, like a 16th bigger is all you really need. You drill straight through it, and when it drills right through, and then the head falls off. Once the head falls off, you can screw the Allen out of it. That's how you do it. The rest of these look like they're probably okay. See, that's the problem with these bolts. See, this is a metric Allen that doesn't fit. See, the American one is really, really loose. So that's the problem with these bolts, is they're some kind of a foreign-made bolt made wrong. It's halfway between American and metric.
Oh, suffering succotash.
Are you making noise behind me already?
Camera's out.
Mr. Crappy Shoes?
Oh, shucks.
Hey, I got one of those and I can't find the charger to it. It's just like that. That's a Sony. I'm glad Tatro got that. I need to find out what number the charger is.
Okay, these metric Allens you got are in between American and metric. The American head is too small wrench, and the metric wrench is too big.
No, take count bolts.
So that's kind of crappy. Okay, so I got to drill that out so I can get some power over here. And we got to try to zip that off to get that out.
Here.
Here what?
That's my tool.
Hey, that one fits a lot better.
Tatro, I'll hold the camera and do all the footage for you for a low fee of $9.99.
You cost too much.
Hey, Tom.
All right. Get the peanut gallery over here.
Bro, really?
Right here?
All right, we'll be back in a minute.
Bro.
See how your viewers like that.
Give me a hug, you'll see what you'll get. All right, so we got our drill. Just got done sharpening it, so it might cut.
You hit me.
Of course, the trailer's in the way, but we don't care.
Hey. Oh, too big?
Tiring. I'm pushing hard. The drill's only so good. Whew. Give me a workout. Need a workout today.
You didn't?
No, I don't. Oops.
Oh,
Hey, the head fell off. You want to touch it with your tongue?
hell no.
Why? Might be a little warm. Yeah, a little warm in one spot.
Tatro, knock it off.
Okay. I did knock it off. You're not blocking my camera view, are you?
Nope, I'm down here.
So you need 6 new bolts. Now we got metric thread, you can use metric wrenches on it.
Whoever put them in there, I got it. Put them in there.
This one we cut off. It's a razor blade sharp to cut you when you're trying to screw it by hand.
You told me the other day. Right after you came from fishing.
So there you go.
My body wasn't shit on it. Go buy the game over and get that cancer and shit on.
All right.
Thank you.
You know where I got it from?
Ooh.
Here's.
Which one?
Yeah, just got it in the trade the night before. Another 15.
Okay, now we need a nut. As I recall, that nut's metric too on these new bikes. Okay, give me some more tools. We'll be back. Okay, we're back. Socket's 30 millimeter. That's what fits on here. Where'd my airline go?
Tatro is attempting to take off the clutch back.
Where'd this fall from? Oh,
There.
what you call this again?
So that's a left-handed thread. You have a bunch of Loctite on there, or is it just jammed in there?
It was Loctite in there.
Threads look like crap in there. Hey, Lorenzo. Yep, trying to do a wheelie already.
You know what somebody asked me, Tone?
Oh, look at all that crap that fell out.
Somebody asked me, hey man,
It's burnt.
baby on the job.
Bullshit.
Oh, my mama, they did. Hey. I said, man,
Oh, he's got the same problem your bike had. The washer's all bound up.
y'all don't have no relationship. What washer? What washer?
One in there.
Push it in forward, pull it back. Push it in, pull it out. Keep wiggling it. Yep, just like that. That's how I took mine off last time. So keep going in and out until it comes out.
I didn't have that problem taking it off before.
You need to get that battery disconnected too, whatever you gotta do to do that.
Why, Tatro?
Because he's finna take the whole thing off. Remember my starter bolt was stripped? Mikey had to put
I
my...
don't remember. Hey guys, we're here working on
Another road turd.
another shitty bike at Tatro Machines.
Yeah, we're not on the ground, though, we're on a trailer this time. Okay, we pried that out with something last time, I forget what we used.
I didn't pry it out. I took it out with my hand, just like that. In and out.
Just like that.
Yeah, that's how I took mine off.
Comes right out, too.
But I took that, but you know what? You got that bolt, you got that thing with them compression pliers out?
Yeah.
I had to take that out.
Yeah, that's the washer. That's the retaining washers. All right, I guess I'll pry that out with. We back.
You gotta take that washer.